This is how to delete power of if in case of the customer does not want to pay us money. So we go in and then come to device management, come to the inverter because this is the inverter, meter and logger. There are three devices in this plan, so we come to the inverter, set parameters, and then after finish refreshing, power adjustment. So we found this one, power deleting. So we, for example, tomorrow we just generate out just only 0.5 kilowatt. That's it. Save. Then that's it. Then tomorrow power come out just only 0.5 kilowatt from the solar. Contrast derivation. Oh, because it need to like we have to set in the daytime because it need PV solar active as well. So this setting must be in the daytime. So we come to here and then that's it. Whatever because maximum is 110 kilowatt, but right now we just set nearly zero or set zero. That's it.